just throwing themselves out. And welcome to this video. We are going to Norway. It's a beautiful little place. Currently we are on the Iceland. We took a ferry to get here. And yeah, beautiful weather is here. The trees are getting green. And it's just beautiful as we're driving up this amazing, crispy road. Roads are not great. There are many holes in the road and they are narrow, so we have to use our common sense and be careful as well. Scenery change, everything change, and you feel it as you go along, not as you do in the car, where you are in autopilot and sitting warm and nice. This is just amazing, and I highly recommend it to anyone who haven't experienced this before to try this out. Now we are crossing the mainland, the Iceland to the mainland again. Bridge right over. Now we are on mainland Norway again. Dark one. Well, that's the problem with a glass that I have in my helmet is black, and I have really problems when I go home. Especially when there's lights like this. It's not upgraded to LED light. It's quite hard to go from daylight and into a tunnel that's dark like this. This is also one thing about the summer. You get these guys on the road. No, they take all the damn place. On the corner we get a pretty good view, I believe. And some narrow road. And if the trees were gone, it would be very good. Very good if the trees were gone. Like that. Oh yeah. Whoa. I don't know if you see these rings out there. It's for fish army. It's rush hour. Don't tell me how many that was the waterfall number one, Eindalsfossen. I need a little break. I bought some energy drink. Don't buy too much. I might have to go back into another store soon, but I don't know. We'll see what I need later. Hopefully it will be good. Oh, this is a good sign of global warming. Usually in Easter, in tradition for Norway to go skiing, you see the skiing slope of the tracks in the mountains, but there's no snow. This is like Easter always was about before. Go to the cabins, and skiing, and now we have to be running this. So yeah, it's changing. It's changing. This was a skiing place before. Well, it is still, but not in Easter anymore because it's too warm, too late in the season. But this was like Easter usually is like the last time you ski. We are now with a new waterfall. It's called Bratte waterfall. See many people down there, but I am not going down there. I will try my drone. So let's see if this works. Quite far to get to the top, but it's cool to see it from the overview as well as down there. What I want to show is a cannon. Bratte is it called. And here you have a cannon from Second World War II. Second World War, not Second World War II. I don't know if this was placed here. I don't think so. But it would have been a pretty good view of the road. Stop any tanks or convoys going. It's a beautiful view as we saw with the drone. And we wouldn't fall down there, would we? I will go down here only for video. Do not recommend going here. If you fall down here, you are fooled. No chance at all. Just like that, we have seen both waterfall. You're supposed to see this lovely day. Now we are heading towards Bergen. I see a lot more bikes now. That's always good to see. But I see most of them are these Speedy Gonzales. They are driving very fast in like tourist attractions and stuff. And I don't like that because people are stopping a lot and people are confused where to stop, where you can drive, and then they are just throwing themselves out of and trying to get past these cars. Just got to Bergen. I decided to go to a hotel. And this is the room. Small room. And right outside. Yeah, not so much to show. It was the most cheap room in Bergen, so it's okay. Now I will relax, take a shower, and then look at my hair, and then I will go eat. What's going on?
After eating Thai food and relaxing, I decided to have some drinks that turned into nightclubs and too much drink, if you know what I mean.
Som alle relativt.